Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about cashew varieties. The scientific name of cashew is Anacardium occidentale and it belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. The cashew tree is a tropical evergreen tree that produces cashew seed and apple. The cashew seed is often considered a nut in the culinary sense. Like the tree, nut is often simply called a cashew. The cashew apple, also called cashew fruit, is fleshy part of the cashew fruit attached to the cashew nut. The cashew apple can be eaten fresh, cooked in curries, or fermented into vinegar as well as an alcoholic drink. The species is native to Central America, the Caribbean islands, and northern South America. Cashew was introduced in India during the later half of 16th century for the purpose of afforestation and soil conservation. India is the third largest producer and exporter of cashew in the world, next only to Vietnam and Nigeria. Cashew is emerged as a major foreign exchanger next only to tea and coffee. Among various nuts such as hazelnut, walnut, almond, etc., cashew nut enjoys the unenviable position and it is the unavoidable snack in all important social functions, especially in the Western countries. Cultivation. Commercial cultivation of cashew is taken up in 8 states of our country, mainly in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Orissa, West Bengal, and Karnataka. In addition, cashew is also grown in few pockets of Assam, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Tripura, and the estimated annual production is 6.74 lakh tons of raw cashew nut. Regional Research Station of Cashew was established in 1963 in Vrudachalam. VRI1. It has a medium-sized tree having setting of 5 to 7 fruits per panicle. It was released in the year 1981 and the mean yield is 7.2 kg per tree. The nut size is small with 5 gram nut weight and shelling percentage of 28%. This variety is withdrawn from recommendation for cultivation. VRI2. This is the only variety released at national level based on the multi-locational trial conducted at 6 coordinating centers. The percentage of bisexual flowers is 10 with a setting of 5 to 8 fruits per panicle. The average yield is about 7.4 kg per tree. The nut size is small with 5.1 gram nut weight with a shelling percentage of 28.3%. The color of the apple is pinkish yellow. VRE3. This is a selection from seedling progeny of a high-yielding tree and was released in 1991. The average yield of this variety is about 10 kg per tree, thus the increase over VRI2 and VRI1 being 35 to 39% respectively. The nut size is medium with 7.2 gram nut weight and shelling percentage of 29%. This variety is picking up fast among farmers of not only of Tamil Nadu but also of other states. Akshaya, it is the hybrid released during 1998. It has yield potential of 11 kg per tree with nut weight of 11 gram. Shelling percentage is 28.4 and it bears yellow apples. Amruta. It has yield potential of 18.4 kg per tree with nut weight of 7.2 gram. Shelling percentage is 31.6 and with kernel weight of 2.2 gram. Color of apple is yellow and apple weight is 76 gram. Apple has 57.4% juice content. Anaga, it is the hybrid released during 1998. It has yield potential of 13.7 kg per tree with nut weight of 10 gram. Shelling percentage is 29. The kernel weight is 2.9 gram and it bears orange-red apples. Madakatara, it is a selection from seedling progeny of tree number 39 of Bapatla. The variety was released in 1987. The nuts are medium sized with 6.2 gram nut weight. Shelling percentage is 26.8. The kernel weight is 1.6 gram and kernel quality conforms to W280. Apple color is yellow with a weight of 52 gram. BPP2. This is also a hybrid released in 1980 in Andhra Pradesh. The nuts are small with a nut weight of 4 gram and shelling percentage of 25.7. The percentage of bisexual flowers is 8 with a fruit set of 8 to 10 fruits per panicle. The protein content of kernels is 21.3%. Juice content in apple is 67%. Chindamani 1. It is a selection from Germplasm collection from Taliparamba in Kerala and released in 1993 from ARS Chindamani. The average yield of this variety is 7.2 kg per tree as against the 2 kg per tree of local varieties. The nut weight is 6.9 gram with shelling percentage of 31%. NRCC1. This variety was released in the year 1989. The number of fruits per bunch is 5. The yield on an average is 10 kg per tree. The nut weight is 7.6 gram. The shelling percentage is 28.8% and the apple color is yellow. Ullal 1. This is a selection from the germplasm collected from Taliparamba in Kerala and released by ARS UAS in 1984. The average yield is 16 kg per tree. The nut weight is 6.7 gram with shelling percentage of 30.7. The color of the apple is yellow. UN50. This is a selection from Nileshwar 227 and released in 1995. This is a medium duration variety. The average nut yield is 10.5 kg per tree. The nut weight is 9 gram and shelling percentage is 32.8%. The color of apple is yellow. Vengurla 1. This is a selection from germplasm collected from Ansur village in Vengurla Tehsil of Maharashtra. This was released in the year 1974. The average yield is 19 kg per tree. The nut weight is 6.2 gram with a shelling percentage of 31. It is the early flowering variety. Color of the apple is yellow. Vengurla 2. This variety was released in the year 1979. It is a selection from germplasm collected from West Bengal. The average yield is about 24 kg per tree, but the nuts are small with 4.3 gram nut weight and shelling percentage of 32. Color of apple is pinkish red. Vengurla 5. This variety is a hybrid having the parentage of Ansur Yearly and Mysore Kotekar. This variety was released in 1984. The average yield is 16.6 kg per tree. The nut size is small with 4.5 gram nut weight. The shelling percentage is 30. This variety produces small golden yellow colored apples. Goa 1. Goa 1 was developed and released from ICAR Research Complex, Goa in 1999. It is the first cashew variety released from the state of Goa. The average yield of Goa 1 is 7 kg per tree with nut weight of 7.6 gram and the shelling percentage of 30. Kernel weight is 2.2 gram. Apple color is yellow and with average weight of 66.7 gram and with average juice content of 68%. Bhubaneswar 1. It has a cluster bearing habit with about 12 fruits per bunch. This variety has average yield of 10 kg per tree with a small nut size. The shelling percentage is high with a kernel grade of W320. It has been found suitable for cultivation in the sandy and laterite soils of the east coast. Jargram 1. It is a selection from TN16 originally collected from Bapatla. It was released in the year 1989. It has a medium compact canopy and intensive branching habit. It has on an average 6 fruits per bunch and yield of 8.5 kg per tree with small nut size. Shelling percentage is 30.